beautiful Sunshine Gang. How y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is August Nicole. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, guess what we're doing today? We are doing a Shopmissa Haul. And I got some goodies to show y'all today. First, I am going to start off with my lashes because I needed some new lashes for my lash stash because it's been a minute since I bought some. I got two pair of these that are in the style London, and these right here were $1.88. These are the charity edition lashes. And I also got these right here in the style Hazel. And I got these right here in the style Jessica. And I have bought some lashes from Shopmissa before. And let me tell y'all, these are some good quality lashes, and you can wear them more than once. You can wear these multiple times. You know, as long as you take care of these, you can wear these multiple times. And I also got some new makeup brushes. This brush right here is the F16 brush, and this is a concealer brush right here. And I also got this F12 AOA Studio brush, and this is a large powder brush right here. And yes, y'all, the qualities of these brushes, it feels so soft. And I already know what kind of brush this is. It's a contour brush. And I got this F11 large fan brush, which is like a really huge highlighter brush. And I got this F1 Kabaki brush. This was a set, by the way. This Kabaki brush and this F1 brush is a setting powder brush. And now I'm about to show y'all my lip liners because I'm trying to get into the lip liners. I haven't been really into lip liners in the past, so I'm just trying something new. And this right here is the gel. This is the AOA Studio lip liner in the color Fab. And this is in the color Muse. And I also got two gel eyeliners in the color dark brown. And I also got some eyeliner. It's the Eyes on Me Vivid Liquid Liner. And this is in the color Edgy, which is just a really dark black. And this right here is in the color Lovebirds. I think this would be so pretty for spring on a bright sunny day with some natural glowy makeup. This would be so pretty. So I'm trying to get into the eyeliners, y'all. So I'm gonna be trying this out too. And I also got some I got some new sponges. This is the AOA Wonder Blender, and this is a high def sponge, and it is latex free. And you can use these wet or dry. And I also got this one right here. This is a Microfiber Wonder Blender. And I got two of these. And I got some accessories too, y'all. I got this to hold my makeup sponge. And I also got some makeup organizers. This would be really cute to put like lip glosses in. And I got two of these for my makeup brushes. And y'all, and I also got a cute little makeup bag. This is just a clear makeup bag right here. And I also got another makeup bag. Capricorn, stand up. Let me know if I got some Capricorns on here in the comment section below. And y'all, that is really it for this video. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Have y'all ever shopped on Shopmissa before? Have y'all ever tried any of their products? Let me know all that good stuff, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.